Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema, known as HEAL. This is Theresa Mueller, the founder. In 2023, I decided to put a theme for the year, and it's called I Want to Put a Ding in the Universe, and it's a quote by the great entrepreneur Steve Jobs. And I devised 4 social media categories. And the whole purpose of this was to provide meaningful and inspirational posts that you may find valuable and help you on your journey. So Monday is called MLD Monday. This will discuss benefits and impacts manual lymph drainage modality has as it relates to common equine disorders, chronic swelling disorders, impacts to the equine lymphatic therapist, and its impact to the equine industry. Tuesday is called Personal Development Tuesday, and this post highlights my personal journey, including my struggles and triumphs to be the best I can be. It's my continual quest to tap into potential I didn't know I have. On Wednesday, which is day 3, it's called Business Development Wednesday. This post will share business related topics, including what I have learned from others, how I utilize them, and provide resources to help you on your business journey to success. And day 4, which is called Miscellaneous Thursday, these topics, I believe, are important to raise awareness about equine lymphatic disorders and issues impacting the equine industry. And if you have any comments, please, you can feel free to respond via social media, or you can email me at tamueller@healequine.com. And remember, believe in the possible.